Ethereum may climb 4.2% by July 28 per 30 rates numbers. We'll start with how things are shaping up on the chart today. According to the latest chart, Ethereum has gained 3.7% and is near $1,955.44. Let's turn to what the analysts are saying. 30 rates expects the price to move toward $2,038 by tomorrow, representing a gain of about 4.2%. Ethereum might move up to $1,989.12, according to Traders Union. That's roughly 1.7% up. Coin price forecast points out it could move up to $1,962, about 0.3% more than now. Another forecast released by CoinCodex notes Ethereum could weaken toward $1,941.21, a projected decline near 0.8%. Finally, Crypto Predictions expects a slide to $1,715.28 by July 28. That's 12.3% under current price. This is the best return scenario. Those were 5 key outlooks. Let's move along. With expert views laid out, here's how they might translate. After evaluating every forecast, the potential price change could lie between a decrease of 12.3% and an increase of 4.2%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that Crypto Predictions predicts the highest return with 12.3% gain in value by tomorrow. Based on these forecasts, you might see a return of between $3 and $123 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, Coin Price forecast shows the highest probability of accuracy at 82.8%. From the 5 analysts' forecasts, I've outlined one combined consensus scenario. Consensus data points to Ethereum trading close to $1,929.12. Here's the full picture. According to the consensus forecast, the price is expected to fall by about 1.4%. And by that same percentage, your capital could potentially also grow. On a 1,000 position, that would be about $14 gained. According to the analysis, the chance of the consensus scenario playing out is around 73.6%. Right here, let's look at the expected price movement across the next 3 days, according to analysts. 30 rates indicates a positive trajectory in the short run. In this forecast, Traders Union emphasizes stability, expecting Ethereum to stay unchanged. Meanwhile, CoinPrice forecast expects Ethereum to hold its ground. Additionally, CoinCodex believes momentum is lacking, so Ethereum should stay broadly unchanged. Crypto Predictions expects downward momentum to persist. The consensus brings the analyst views together and points to Ethereum remaining broadly stable over the next 3 days. From this overview, the majority conclusion is that Ethereum will lean upward over the coming 3 days. 5 forecasts were given 2 days ago. Today, we'll see how they aligned with the outcome. By the close, the price stood at $1,954.76. 3 out of 5 analysts ended up correct about the trend. The leading forecast in terms of accuracy was made by Gov Capital Collector. Let's zoom in on the individual results. Yesterday showed that only one forecast matched the candle. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but coin price forecast topped the list. Here's the summary. A quick look at all forecast outcomes. Gov Capital Collector displayed accuracy, 35.9% forecast probability, and 4.6% ROI. Take a second and guess which analyst led the pack today. Now let's take a look at tomorrow's expected returns across several coins to see where Ethereum stands. The highest potential return goes to Shiba Inu with 6%, while Ethereum stays below the leader. At this stage, Ethereum is compared with only 4